Imagine walking out to your backyard on a warm summer morning, somewhere in the USA, and picking a basket full of glossy, tender zucchini straight from your own vines. Some small and perfect for grilling, others larger for baking into moist zucchini bread or hearty stir-fries. That first bite of homegrown zucchini is crisp, sweet, and bursting with flavor that store-bought ones can rarely match. And the best part is how quickly and generously these plants produce once they get going. If you've ever wanted a super productive vegetable that gives you more harvest than you know what to do with, but worried about powdery mildew, squash bugs, or the vines taking over your garden, you're exactly in the right place. Today we're walking through every single step to grow zucchini successfully from seed to harvest, even if you're a complete beginner whose thumbs have never felt particularly green before. We'll cover planting secrets, perfect care routines, and simple fixes tailored for American backyards, raised beds, and containers so you can enjoy fresh zucchini all summer long. Stick with me, and by the end you'll feel confident and excited to plant your own zucchini patch this season. Growing zucchini is one of the most rewarding and productive choices for home gardeners all over the United States, because this fast-growing summer squash is incredibly generous, forgiving for beginners, and delivers a huge harvest from just a few plants. A single healthy zucchini plant can produce 6 to 10 pounds or more of fruit over the season, giving you plenty for fresh eating, freezing, sharing with neighbors, and even turning into delicious baked goods. The plants themselves are beautiful, with large, deeply lobed leaves and bright yellow flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. For beginners, the best part is how quickly zucchini grows. Many varieties go from seed to first harvest in just 45 to 55 days. Whether you garden in the hot south, the cooler northeast, or the dry west, zucchini adapts well when you give it the right amount of sun, consistent moisture, and a little attention to airflow and pests. Bush varieties are perfect for small spaces and containers, while vining types can be trained vertically to save ground space and look stunning on a trellis. The journey begins with planting your zucchini the smart way so your plants get off to a strong, healthy start. Zucchini is a warm season crop that hates cold soil, so wait until all danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed to at least 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, usually late spring in northern states and earlier in the south. Soil that warm ensures quick germination and prevents seeds from rotting. Choose a spot that receives full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day, because zucchini is a true sun lover that needs plenty of light for rapid growth and heavy fruit production. In very hot southern regions, a touch of afternoon shade can help during extreme heat waves above 95 degrees, but overall brighter is better. Prepare your soil by loosening it 10 to 12 inches deep and mixing in generous amounts of compost or well-rotted manure for fertile, well-draining conditions. Zucchini is a heavy feeder, so rich organic matter at planting gives it the nutrients it needs. Aim for a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0. A simple home test kit will tell you if any lime is needed. Direct seed zucchini right into the garden or start indoors 3 to 4 weeks before your last frost in peat pots to protect the sensitive roots. Plant seeds 1 inch deep in hills or rows, sowing 4 to 6 seeds per hill and thinning to the strongest 2 or 3 plants once they have true leaves. Space hills 3 to 4 feet apart for bush varieties and 5 to 6 feet for vining types to give the large leaves and sprawling vines plenty of room. In smaller USA backyards or raised beds, bush zucchini works beautifully, or you can train vining types vertically on a sturdy trellis or cattle panel to save space and keep fruit clean. Water the area gently after planting and keep the soil consistently moist until sprouts appear in 7 to 10 days. In cooler climates like the Great Lakes or Pacific Northwest, black plastic mulch or raised beds help warm the soil faster and extend your growing season. Once your zucchini seedlings are up and spreading, success comes from providing the best light and temperature conditions that match American summers. These plants thrive when daytime temperatures stay between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, with nights above 55 degrees, so flowers set reliably and fruits develop properly. Full sun is essential for maximum production. Less than 6 hours and you'll notice fewer female flowers and smaller fruits. In scorching southern or southwestern summers, where temperatures regularly climb into the high 90s or beyond, consistent moisture and light afternoon shade can prevent blossom drop and sun scald on developing fruits. Watch your plants closely. Healthy zucchini leaves are deep green and vigorous, Wilting during the hottest part of the day is normal, but prolonged stress signals the need for more water or temporary shade. When conditions are perfect, you'll see vines or bushes explode with growth, producing bright yellow male and female flowers that eventually turn into those glossy green or yellow fruits. The correct watering routine makes all the difference for developing those strong, deep roots that support heavy fruit loads and prevent common problems like blossom end rot or cracking in zucchini. These plants have relatively shallow feeder roots near the surface, but need consistent moisture to keep fruits growing evenly. Aim for 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Deliver deeply at the base early in the morning so foliage dries quickly and fungal diseases stay away. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses are ideal for busy gardeners because they target the roots without wasting water or splashing soil onto leaves. Once plants are established and a few inches tall, spread a thick layer of organic mulch like straw or wood chips around the base. This locks in soil moisture, keeps roots cool during intense summer heat, suppresses weeds, and prevents fruit rot from soil contact. Check soil moisture regularly by pushing a finger 2 inches down. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Never let the soil dry out completely during flowering and fruit setting stages, because drought stress causes flowers to drop and fruits to become small or misshapen. In humid eastern states, be extra careful not to overwater and create soggy conditions that invite rot. While in drier western regions, you may need to water more frequently, but always slowly and deeply for those healthy roots. Consistent watering right up until harvest helps fruits reach their full size and tender texture. Fertilizing and pruning your zucchini is simpler than many beginners expect and turns good plants into spectacular, non-stop producers. Start with that rich compost at planting. Then side dress with a balanced organic fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks during active growth. Once flowers appear and fruits start setting, switch to a fertilizer higher in phosphorus and potassium to support fruit development and flavor rather than just leafy growth. Apply lightly around the base and water it in well to avoid burning roots. Pruning is mostly about airflow and energy management. Remove any yellow or damaged lower leaves to improve circulation and reduce disease risk. For vining types, gently train the main stems in the direction you want them to grow. If the plant becomes overly crowded, you can remove some of the oldest leaves at the base, but never remove more than 20 to 30% of the foliage at once. These easy steps keep your zucchini plants healthy, open to air and light, and focused on producing abundant, high-quality fruit. Even experienced gardeners run into challenges with zucchini, but most common problems have straightforward, beginner-friendly solutions. Poor germination or weak seedlings usually result from planting too early in cold soil or inconsistent moisture. Simply wait for that steady 65 to 70 degree soil warmth and keep the ground evenly moist. Pests like squash bugs, cucumber beetles, or vine borers love tender new growth. Inspect daily and handpick them off in the morning when they're slow, or use floating row covers until flowers appear. A strong blast of water knocks aphids away, and encouraging ladybugs brings natural predators to the rescue. On the disease side, powdery mildew shows up as white powder on leaves when humidity is high and airflow poor. Increase spacing, prune for better circulation, and avoid overhead watering. Blossom end rot, those dark sunken spots on the bottom of fruits, is usually caused by uneven calcium uptake from irregular watering. Keep moisture consistent and add crushed eggshells or gypsum to the soil at planting. Fruits that grow misshapen or stop developing often come from poor pollination. Hand pollinate by transferring pollen from male to female flowers with a soft brush on warm mornings. With these simple fixes, you'll troubleshoot confidently and keep your zucchini patch thriving. Harvesting your zucchini is the fun payoff after all that care, and doing it right keeps the plants producing right up until frost. Pick zucchini when they are 6 to 8 inches long for the most tender texture and best flavor. Smaller is better for fresh eating and grilling. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the fruit from the vine, leaving a short stem attached. Harvest every day or two during peak season, because leaving large fruits on the plant signals it to slow down production. In longer growing seasons across the south or west coast, you can enjoy fresh zucchini from early summer into early fall. Store harvested zucchini in the refrigerator for up to a week, or grate and freeze extras for winter baking. At season's end, cut the vines at soil level and compost the tops, while leaving the roots in the ground to break down and add organic matter back to your soil. Your zucchini garden is now ready to reward you with beautiful large leaves, bright yellow flowers, and those incredibly versatile homegrown fruits that make every summer meal special. Now it's your turn. Head to your local garden center or order zucchini seeds suited to your USDA zone. Prepare a sunny spot with rich soil and start your own zucchini adventure this season. You'll save money, eat fresher, and feel that wonderful pride every time you fill a basket with your homegrown harvest. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to plant zucchini is right now, right in your own American backyard. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.